Alright, so our quiz here, this first one just has some basic solving. So we've got opposite and hypotenuse. Since this sine, let's write sine of x equals 15 over 17. And all we need to do is type inverse sine right here, and that would give us our answer, the first one, 61.93 degrees for correct rounding. Alright, let's try the next one. This is a word problem. It has an angle of elevation, so we're looking up towards the stage. We don't know what angle. 70 feet away, we're 8 feet below. Let's see, opposite adjacent. This is tan of x equals 8 over 70. Just like last time, we're going to type in that ratio and take the inverse. And we get this here, 6.52 degrees. Alright. Third one, let's see here. Now we're dealing with this angle. We have the angle, we're finding a side. This looks like the opposite side and the hypotenuse. So we're going to use sine like the first one. Alright, so sine of 50 degrees equals x over 29. It's being divided right now, so we're going to multiply 29 on both sides. And 29 times sine of 50 gives us 22.22 centimeters. Alright, there's the front of the quiz. Alright, let's try the back. Alright, word problem. Juliet stands 14 feet off ground on her balcony. So we'll put her here. I'll draw the picture this time. Maybe that will help if you were stuck. Okay, there she is. She spots Romeo in the distance, standing at ground level. So here's he. Okay, 30-degree angle of depression, which means angle of depression is how much she looks down. Alright, so this is 30. How far away is Romeo from this spot if she's 13 feet tall? Another way you could do is to fill in the triangle on the bottom, but this helps me remember the angle of depression should be there. Let's see, opposite, adjacent, so we've got tangent of 30 equals 13 over x. This time we solve it differently because x is on the bottom. You can choose to flip the strategy. You can choose to cross multiply. 13 divided by tan of 30, either way could be our last step to get us 22.52 degrees. Let me know if you can help with actually solving that piece versus just setting it up. Most people made a mistake with setting it up. Alright, the last one said here that we have a triangle and there's a 55 degrees. Okay, if we know the triangle, let's see, all triangles have 180, we know it has 90, and we know it has 55. That means our last angle here has to be 35 degrees. Okay, that doesn't matter if we draw a larger one here. 55, this still has to be 35. If all angles are equal, then triangle is similar. Okay, that's the base of what I need. Okay, I would like more if you're writing this, but similarity in all angles would be the big piece here, because if then we're finding the ratios, if the triangles are similar, we know that the ratios would be the same. Just like when we did that unit here, if this was 2 and this is 4, if this side is 3, then if this was doubled, this is doubled, and vice versa. That means 4 divided by 6 is the same as 2 divided by 3, and that's where we get our ratios. Alright, there's quiz 1.